Okay, we've got water. Let's see if the bird will take water from us. No and no. I did this with a Bohemian waxwing a couple years ago. Take water. Noah, stop it. Come on. His foot looks a little cockeyed here. I wonder if he broke his leg. Come on, little birdie. Come on, little birdie. Let's see. Okay, so 3 toes forward, 1 toe back. I guess that foot looks okay. Are you gonna make it? You're okay. He's a good birdie. You're okay. So the drop on your beak. Oh, you're pretending like you don't like it, but you're drinking it. With the drop on your beak. Look at you. You're drinking it. Drop on your beak. Get it. Drop on your beak. Do you think you can fly? You ready to fly? Huh? Are you gonna poop on my hand again? I think you're almost ready to fly. Well, don't just look at me. Come on. Go fly. Stop flying into my window, by the way. Come on. Fly away. Can you do it? Go ahead. Go ahead. Fly. Get your confidence up and go. Go. Fly, little birdie. Are you gonna fly? Come on. Poor little guy. Are you ready yet? Come on. Come on. Oh. You coming up? There we go. Oh, you pooped again, but you missed my finger. Good job. Ready? Come on, buddy. You can fly. Go, 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 go. Ready? Good. Okay. It's time to fly. Ready? Go. Look, I knew you could do it. Now you're on a branch in the tree. Good job. Just don't fly into my window again.